play.
Assalam-o-Alaikum, my dear friends. How are you all? I'm your very own Hey. Remember, I'm the unique letter with no dots at all. Just a lovely smooth curve? Yes, you all know me very well, and I'm sure you've already recognized me. Many beautiful Urdu words start with me. Let's learn some of them. Hey is for Hakeem. Ha, Hakeem. A wise doctor, making you feel okay. Hey is for Halwa. Ha, Halwa. A sweet dessert on a festive day. Hey is for Haroof. Ha, Haroof. Look, I'm a letter. All the letters of Haroof Heroes are just like me. They're true heroes. Hey is for Halim. Ha, Halim. It's a yummy, thick, and super tasty dish. Hey is for Hakeem. Halwa. Haroof. Halim. You've gotten to know me really well. Now tell me, who am I? And what's my special mark? Great job! I am Hey! And my special mark is that I have no dots at all. That's all for today. You've learned so well and are truly shining brightly. Okay, Allah Hafiz. Great job, little heroes. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Haroof Heroes, for more fun Urdu letter games. Thanks for watching.